Hello everyone, and welcome to episode 5, whereby today we are going to learn about printing numbers in Java output. So you can also use the print line method to print numbers. However, unlike text, we don't put numbers inside double quotes. Though you can still put a number inside double quotes, but you can't perform any calculations, any mathematical calculations with numbers in quotes. So we can try this out and we see. So if you come over the tab here and then new, so numbers.java. So okay, let's create our class numbers. Sorry, forgot the C. And then in the braces, and let's try putting a number like 3 inside here, and then we run. We are putting a number in double quotes, so you can see that it has printed 3. So you can say if you place a number in double, it can still be printed out. And we can also try for, okay, we can try the initial and the correct way of printing a number. So you can simply just type 3 and let's type 4 to make it unique. So if you run, you're going to see that it has printed 4. So you can see that just typing a number without putting the double quotes is easier when you're dealing with numbers. But you'll find out that when you're performing mathematical calculations, you're not supposed to put your number in the quotes plus the operators that you're using. So let's proceed. So they gave us examples here, and we have tried out using 3. You can try out using the 358 and the 50,000. So they have said you can also perform mathematical calculations inside the print line method. So they said System.out.println 3 plus 3. So we can try this out for all the mathematical calculations using all the operators, and okay, so let's try addition, and performing, so we can call it performing mathematical calculations using the print line method. So, and we can start with addition for this case. So let's add something like a 3 and plus 4, and so we are going to check out our terminal and see what is going to be printed. If you say 3 plus 4, and if you say 3 plus 4, we can realize that it has printed 7. So that's for the addition part. Let me space this a bit, and then we can head over to subtraction, and we do the same. Let me say 5 minus 8 for that case. So we expect to get a negative 3. Let's run. Yeah, so it has been printed, as you can see here. So that's for subtraction, and then let's go to multiplication. Is this the spelling? Yeah, multiplication. So let's say 8 times 2. So we expect to get something like a 16 for that part. So you can realize that, okay, 16 has been printed, and then what is left? Then we are left with the division. So we can say 8 divided by 4. And check out, we expect to get a 2. So yeah, that's it for performing the mathematical calculations. We have done addition, subtraction, multiplication, division using the print method. So let's do this exercise. Let's say drag and drop the correct number so the programs print 15. So for when you're working with numbers, it's better to just type the number instead of putting it in double quotations, although it can also be printed. So let's do this. That's correct. So let's click yes, and then drag and drop the correct number. So we repeat this, say 15, and it's correct. And drag and drop the correct number so the program prints 20. So System.out.println 10 plus, what do you need to add to 10 to get 20? That's a 10. So it's right here. Okay, proceed to the next question. So drag and drop the correct number so the program prints 21. So what do you need to multiply by 7 to get a 21? It's 3. And, next question. So which line correctly prints the number 25 as a number? So another thing that I had forgotten to tell you, that if you put a number in double quotes, it takes that number to be a string or a text. So if you want to print a number 25 as a number, you just need to just pass 25 there in the curly braces. So that one, and that's correct. What is the output of the following code? System.out.println 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5, you're getting a 10. Next question. To do arithmetic, numbers should not be wrapped in double quotes. We tried that and we saw that yes, it's true. And what is the output of the following code? So this one, it's the example that will differentiate a text from a number. So what is the output of the following code? So they'll say System.out.println 10 in double quotes, our text 10 plus 5. So the plus is going to act as a concatenation, like an addition. It's attaching. So it's going to print 10 as a text or a string, and then it will concatenate the 5 there. It will be like it's printing the 5 independently and the 10, so it will just group them together. So if you try out this statement, you realize that it prints 10 and then it adds the 5. So that's the thing. So we have finished this exercise, and in the next episode we are going to work on our second challenge for Java output. So thank you.